All right, friends, it is the talk of the town, the potential of a wintry mix for today and tonight. Right off the bat, I want to say again, this is not going to be a big deal. If you've bought sleds, you might want to return them because we will not be seeing any snow. In fact, most of us are just going to see rain, but there could be some sleet that mixes in at times. The best chance to see a rain-sleet mix would be north of Memphis, north of Interstate 40. Most of us just see rain, but even if you do see a little sleet, little to no impact is expected. This one is not going to be a big deal. Everybody above freezing right now. We're at 34 in Memphis, 35 in Truman and Dyersburg, 36 right now in Corinth. Many of us are dry, but we're starting to see the first bit of precipitation come in to eastern Arkansas. This is actually hitting the ground as some sleet right now over in Jackson County and Woodruff County, Arkansas, starting to make it into Cross and Poinsett County. So there could actually be some sleet there in eastern Arkansas soon. But like we just said, temperatures are above freezing. And as temperatures climb even further this afternoon, any sleet that starts out early is going to quickly become all rain. So I know you see some sleet, some ice back here. As we get into the afternoon and this moves closer to us, most of it is just going to be rain. We're going to start to see showers in Memphis by 1 or 2 p.m. and rain showers will continue through the evening. Notice temperatures again above freezing. But as the sun sets, there could be a little sleet that starts to mix in. Even though temperatures at the surface are above freezing, it's going to be a little colder up in the atmosphere, and again, that could bring some sleet down to the surface. I think our hour-by-hour radar has a really good handle on this. By 1 p.m., again, even if we do see some sleet in eastern Arkansas now, it's going to quickly become rain this afternoon. So everybody starts out with some rain for the most part. Rain showers for nearly everybody at 4 or 5 p.m. But as we get a little closer to sunset, there's 5, 6 o'clock. Notice some of that pink showing up in northwest Tennessee, northeast Arkansas. That is where some sleet could be mixing in. Notice nearly everybody is seeing rain, but there could be some areas that see some sleet. Again, temperatures above freezing at the surface, so anything that does fall would melt pretty quickly. That same trend continues through 9 or 10 p.m. Mostly rain, maybe a little sleet, but temperatures above freezing, so anything that does fall will melt. Now by midnight, that rain and sleet mix moves out. Once that moves out, temperatures do drop a bit. We get to near 30 for some spots tomorrow morning, but I don't expect major issues on the roadways, even with any freezing. And this is why wind gusts overnight are going to pick up as that rain clears out. We're going to see gusts as high as 20 miles an hour. So that's almost going to act like a blow dryer, get those roads dry before the temperatures fall. Again, most of us today and tonight, just plain rain. There could be some sleet mixes in, better chance of sleet off to the north. That's where there could be minor impacts tomorrow morning, maybe 1 or 2 slick spots in northeast Arkansas, northwest Tennessee. But again, because the roads are kind of getting blow dried by the wind, I don't expect roads to be iced over by any means, but those bridges and overpasses especially could see 1 or 2 slick spots tomorrow morning. For Memphis and points to the south, I do not expect any impact. Again, most of us just see rain, maybe a little wintry mix with some of that sleet. Temperatures fall to about 30 once the rain ends. So again, I can't rule out a slick spot tomorrow. Most areas are going to be just fine, and then we get closer to 40 by tomorrow afternoon. If you want more updates on the weather, I'll be live at 11:45 on ABC 24+. That's our streaming app for Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV. Just search ABC 24 on your TV and watch my update there at 11:45. Again, for today, we get to 38 degrees. Most of us just see rain, but as the sun sets into tonight, there could be some sleet that mixes in at times. Temperatures will stay above freezing as that's happening, so I don't expect issues on the roads. I certainly don't expect any accumulation. Temperatures do get below freezing tonight. Once that clears out, so, of course, if there is any water on the roadway, we'll have to watch that. But with gusty winds, I think the roads will kind of be blow dried. And I think by tomorrow morning, most roads will be A-OK. Can't rule out 1 or 2 slick spots, though. 39 with sunshine tomorrow. Very nice for the middle of the week. Just a slight chance of some showers Friday. And then nice weather for the weekend. Closer to 50 with sunshine. And very nice for the St. Jude Marathon.